Today we're going to find the area of any triangle. Notice, whenever you work with a triangle, you always have to have the height. So what I'm going to do is, before developing a formula for this, let me just go through the process of how we do this. Well, the first thing that you did probably was you will drop an altitude. Now, and then you need the height. And let's look at how to find the height. Well, I have a relationship with the 50-degree angle. I can say the sine of 50 degrees is equal to h over 10. And then when you use algebra 1, multiply both sides by 10. And I have h equal 10 sine 50. And sine of 50, 10 times sine of 50 is 10 times 0.7660. So h is approximately 7.66. Well, let's look at how to find the area of a triangle. Half base times height, which is 1/2, 12 times the height, which in this case is 7.66. And your final answer would be 45.963, approximately. And that's it. That's all it is. Now let's look at if there's a way to develop a formula out of this. And it's relatively easy. Let's start off with triangle. Let's call this A, B, C. So if this is side A, this is small a, small b, small c. Let's say I'm given angle A, B, and C. Well, let's see what the first thing that I might do is. I'm going to drop an altitude. Let's call this H. Well, if I'm calling that H, that means I can say the area of the triangle, which is 1/2 base times height, which is 1/2 H times C. Okay? But wait a second, H. I don't have H here. So let's see what we know. Can I say sine of A is equal to H over B? And then if I multiply both sides by B, I can say H is equal to B sine A. Wait a second. What can I do now? Substitution. So wherever I see H above, so if the area is equal to 1/2 base times height, and I know my height is B sine A, and I know my base was C, I can say the area is equal to, and we put it alphabetically, 1/2 BC sine A. And that's your formula. The only difference is they don't use the letter A because it'll be confusing with angle A. So they use the letter K. Why the letter K is used, I still don't know, and I admit that. But the letter K is for the area. Thank you.